And guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your brother, your son Riaga Steve. My YouTube channel Riaga Steve mwenyewe. Just go there, click, share, subscribe, and there is a bell there. When you go to a YouTube, just check that bell, just click it. Anytime I post anything, it will just ring to your phone. Otherwise, guys, you've been asking me about my wardrobe. This is how Riaga Steve dress. I am going to present men's clothing haul, just only for men, because I know ladies, yours is coming very soon. Just wait and see. Guys, let's start the video. And guys, this is my first look. You can see I look white, guys. This is the smart casual. When you want to dress smartly to impress people outside there, you must dress this way. This kind of look, you can go with it for a dinner. You know, ladies like when their men look yummy, looks nice, looks smart, presentable. This is why. Or you can add on top of it this necklace. You can see? How do I look, guys? Yeah, how do I look? This one I bought at Masai Market. Anyone can go there and purchase it. You are highly welcome. Nice. And here the second look, guys. You can see, still smart casual. You can put on this kind of full neck black, maroon and black shoe. What am I liking? For a lady to admire me, you must look smart. Try to be smart. Try to look presentable. To my guys, you've been asking me about this. This is me. Today I've presented myself with different types of clothes, different types of designing. I love full necks. How do I look, guys? And that one. And that is me back. I just played with the same dress. That is how I dress. But the only thing I changed, I only add the coat and the shoe down here. Can you see? How do I look? This is the best look for office meetings, any wedding. You know, you can go for a wedding. That's the best time you can get a lady. You know, lady looks smart, guys. So you must look presentable, guys. This is the best. How do I look, guys? Maroon, black full neck, and maroon here. How do I look, guys? This is how you should be dressing going to any officials, and you will win it. And you can Turkey. And you look this way. How do I look, eh? Yeah. And this is my fourth look. I look official. Guys, you can see. You can go to your office with this kind of attire. You can attend any meeting. Even for marriage, you can go to marriage with this kind of clothes, guys. How do I look? And if you want to do this, you be official. You look good, guys, man. Just I don't want to take you far. How do I look without a full coat? My friends, this is what you've been asking. This is how a man should look. A man should look this way. Presentable. You can and guys, this is the best smart casual a man like me should go on. when you want to go out for a dinner with your fiance, or you want to just go and chill outside there, you can just put like this, guys. How do I look? I can't even dance, guys. Let me just try. This is my favorite song. Welcome back, guys, again. This is an African attire. You can just look. I must present my continent. An African culture. This is how we do dress when going for any occasion, like wedding, church, even your own office. Just put on like this. You will be admirable. Girls outside there, I know you can see what I'm doing. This is how your men should dress while attending any occasion. I admire only my YouTuber who admire dressing like this to present his channel. Thank you, guys. Let's just take a look. An African man, proud of being an African guy. And guys, this is my last outfit. How do I look? A maroon jacket and a maroon shirt. You can put it this way when you are going for an official. How do I look, guys? Or you can put it on. How do I look, guys? This is my look, man. If you want to look presentable, admirable, guys, just view and see. To my guys, you've been asking me about this, guys, man. And today you have seen it. Just go it. Just look presentable. You will be admirable, man. Even your girl will be proud of you. Anywhere you walk with her, you will just I am my king next to me. Because of the dress, the smartness. It kills. Down here you can see my boots. Hiyo ni ukweli, unasikia hata hiyo wimbo. Mapenzi tu. Utasikia tu mapenzi inaingia hata kwa nyumba ukivaa hivi, man. Always try to be smart. Be smart. Brain, even in your clothes. Smartness starts with you. This is your guide. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can view, you can like the way you like. But I need most of your comments. I just want to see how you are commenting over my wardrobe. It is a men's wardrobe, clothing wardrobe. Just try to view, just try to watch. This is your guy, man. Steve. mwenyewe. Thank you.